Digestion begins here in the oral cavity, when food enters the oral cavity. The salivary glands produce salivary amylase, which breaks down starches into shorter polysaccharides or maltose, and the teeth also chew up the food particles. This forms a ball-like form called a bolus, and the tongue pushes it to the back of the oral cavity and to the pharynx. The epiglottis covers the trachea so that the food can move down the esophagus. There's no digestion during this time, and this process of the food moving down is called peristalsis. The food is then deposited in the stomach, where gastric juices further chemically digest the food. Hydrochloric acid has a very low pH, which denatures proteins and allows the enzyme pepsin to break protein into shorter polypeptides. This in addition to the stomach churning, forms a semi-liquid called chyme, which is then transferred into the duodenum of the small intestine. Here, juices from the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver further break down carbohydrates, nucleic acids, and lipids in the solution, which then travels through the small intestine and continues to be absorbed. There's the most absorption in the small intestine due to the villi and microvilli. The solution is then moved through the large intestine, where undigested material collects and hardens as it moves through. The main purpose of a large intestine is to reabsorb water, so there's no further digestion. Once the hard undigested material is called feces, and it enters the last part of the colon, which is called the rectum, and exits out of the anus.